We have a solid sphere and a solid cone. We're told the surface area of the sphere is equal to the total surface area of the cone. I'm always given the surface area of the sphere in the question. In this case, is 4 pi r squared. As we're told it's equal to, it says total surface area of the cone. Well, I'm always given the curved surface of the cone, which is pi r l. Hence, it's going to be pi r l. As I know it's a solid cone, I also know that on the bottom of a cone, the base is a circle. I know the area of a circle is pi r squared. Hence, I'm going to add on pi r squared. As I have 4 pi r squared on the left and pi r squared on the right, I can move the pi r squared from the right across to the left by doing the opposite. If a term crosses an equal sign, it changes sign. So the opposite of add pi r squared is subtract pi r squared. On the left-hand side, I know 4 lots of pi r squared subtract 1 lot of pi r squared. That leaves us with 3 pi r squared. On the right-hand side, I've still got pi r l. And then that plus pi r squared subtract pi r squared will cancel. I can now see both sides of my equation have pi r in common. Hence, I'm going to divide both sides of my equation by pi r. On the left-hand side, pi over pi will cancel. Dividing top and bottom by r squared divided by r will drop down to single r. On the bottom, r divided by r will cancel. Hence, just have with 3r on the left. And on the right-hand side, I know pi over pi will cancel. R over r will cancel. Hence, just left with l. As I want to find the ratio of r to h, I know h is the perpendicular height of my cone. I already worked out that L is equal to 3r. Now applying Pythagoras theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. I know a and b are my two shorter sides, and my c, my hypotenuse, is always the longest side directly opposite the right angle. Here, a for me is r, so a squared would be r squared, plus b for me is h, so b squared would be h squared, equals c for me is 3r, so c squared will be 3r, in brackets, all squared. Leaving the left-hand side alone, I've got r squared plus h squared. Expanding the right-hand side, 3r in brackets squared will give us 9r squared. Moving the r squared term to the right. If you move a term over an equal sign, it changes sign. So the opposite add r squared is subtract r squared from both sides. On the left-hand side, r squared subtract r squared will cancel. So leave us with h squared. On the right-hand side, 9 lot of r squared subtract 1 lot of r squared will simplify to give us 8r squared. I don't want h squared, I want the value of h. The opposite of squared is the square root. So therefore, h is equal to the square root of 8r squared. Leaving the left-hand side alone, here I have h equals to. On the right-hand side, I can simplify root 8r squared. I can split that up as being root 8 multiplied by root r squared. Leaving h equals, leave the root 8 alone. I know the square of r squared is simply r. As I want to find the ratio of r to h, while substituting when r is 1, therefore h will be root 8 multiplied by 1, which will give us h equals root 8. Hence, the ratio of r to h is 1 to root 8.